Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Brianna, and today I am here with another mug cake recipe. It is a double chocolate Oreo mug cake. I am so excited to try it. This will be my first time, so let's get into this video. First, what you'll need is 5 Oreos, and for this first part, we're only going to add 4 into the mug, and we're going to save the 5th one for later. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them all in here and crush them up. Next, we're going to add 1/4 cup of milk to help crush up our Oreos. I'm really excited to try this. But I see why the Oreos crush up really good if you have the milk in. And then once that's complete, all crushed up and pretty much dissolved, we're going to add in the other ingredients. So once that's complete, we're going to take a tablespoon of sugar. And then we're going to take a tablespoon of flour. There we go. Next, we're adding a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And our final ingredient is a teaspoon of cocoa powder. And now we're going to mix that all together. This is what it looks like mixed all together. Now we're going to take our 5th Oreo, plop it in, and dunk it and cover it with batter. And then we are going to microwave it for 1 minute. By the way, if you like my earrings, my friend made them for me. You should look her up on Instagram. It's Emo Hippy Dippy. This is what it looks like all done. It smells so good. It looks so delicious. I am so excited to get into this taste test. I am so excited to try this. Oh my gosh. The Oreo completely dissolved in here. The one that I pressed in the middle. What the heck? Oh my gosh. I never expected that. This is really good. It's very, very soft and moist. Oh my gosh. I really recommend this recipe. This is probably my favorite Oreo mug cake. If you have any others you want me to try, comment down below. Thank you and have a nice day.